Hi guys, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for watching. So as you can see, it is that time of the month. I have my Nailboxy box right in front of me, and as always we are gonna open it to see what I got this month. So this box is for the month of August, and I think they were gonna focus on some Kiara Sky products, some Red Iguana product, and some clear jelly products. So let's see what we got. So the first thing that I got is this Thermo Liquid, and I'm gonna open it up. It's from Red Iguana, so we can test it out. Okay guys, so this is a Thermo Liquid, and like I said, I was gonna open it so we can test it out. So it's not all the way filled up, and I think they do mention that it wasn't gonna be all the way filled up. I'm not sure why, but again, it's from Red Iguana. And so I'm just gonna prepare my nail here. I just got a press on nail, and I'm just gonna follow their instructions as they said to do. So I'm gonna take my nail and I'm gonna apply black gel polish, and the one that I'm using is Perfect Black from Madame Glam, and I'm only gonna do one coat since it's very pigmented. So I'm just gonna do one coat, and then I'm gonna pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And I'm gonna be removing the tacky layer after I'm done curing, and then we'll be right back with applying the Thermo Liquid. Okay, so gel polish is cured, tacky layer has been removed. So now I'm gonna apply the Thermo Liquid. I'm just gonna use this brush, nothing fancy. I'm gonna dip it in there. I'm gonna try to do not too thick, but just enough to cover the whole nail. And then the instructions are to let it dry and try to leave some empty spaces on the edge so it'll avoid chipping. So I got the whole nail covered, and then I just gotta wait to let it dry, and then we can apply the top coat. So I'm just gonna let it dry for a couple of minutes or however long it takes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back, and the Thermo Liquid is all dried up, which now we have to apply the gel top coat. And the one that I'm going to use is the one that came in my Nailboxy, which is the one from Kiara Sky, and it's a non-wipe top coat, and it's 15 ml. I have never used any Kiara Sky products, or Kiara Sky, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but if you have, let me know what you guys think of this top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And we will see what magic it does. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and cure for 60 seconds, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the top coat is applied and it's all cured. Now let's see if any magic happens. So I'm just gonna place my thumb on the nail to see if any heat produces to see the magic. Now let's take a look here. I'm not sure how long it takes for it to take in the heat and do what it needs to do, so we'll see. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's starting to change. You guys see the little grain spots and stuff, and then also if I press my finger on it, you can see that it goes away. So I thought that was pretty cool. I don't know if I'll ever use it, but I mean, if you guys are interested, that's what it is. All right, so moving on to the next product in the box. So next what we got is the clear jelly stamper, which I already have one and I absolutely love it. So it does not hurt to have extra stampers, and this one is the what do they call it, the big BLING XL. So this is the big one, which is the one that I have, and except mine doesn't have Nailboxy here, and mine looks exactly like this. This is the bottom, and then it has an extra one up here, and I love it because it has the little sparkles inside, and it can cover up the whole nail. And then if you take this off, you're able to see where you're placing your image on the nail. So this is pretty cool. I don't know if any of you guys do stamping, but this stamper I love. All right, next thing that I got is I got mixes here. So I got Neon Heart Decal mixes. So I got some blue ones and I got some orange ones, and then I got some neon ones. So these are pretty cute, especially right now for summer. Well, it looks like we're going into fall now, but it's still super hot. So I think you can still get away with it being summer. So you guys can definitely use these. So it's just a little card from Clear Jelly Stamper, and you can receive up to 20% off your entire purchase with using this code right there, and it expires September of this year, well, September 30th. So you guys have till the end of the month, so go ahead and enjoy that. 5-piece floral nail art brush set, which is super cute. As you guys know, I love purple, so it does have purple flowers. Let me see if I can open this for you guys so you guys can check it out. These are super cute. And I'm always looking for new art brushes. I'm still trying to find the right ones. But look at these. So there's no detail brushes or anything like that. I guess these are more for like floral designs or, you know, bigger designs. So these will definitely do. We'll see how these work, but these are super cute, as you can see. So that's that. Okay, so I'm gonna try to pronounce it as always. Swarovski's, and it's a 5-piece Crystal Pear pack. So it looks like these are like just the clear ones, or I don't know, however you say it. So it's just crystals, and they're super shiny as always. So next thing that I got is so it's just a card from Kiara's Sky, so you get 10% off your next order if you use this code down here. This one, I don't think it has an expiration date, and then back here it just tells you how to use their top coat. It looks like you can use it 5 ways. So that's that. Next thing is the Red Iguana White Nail Art Palette, which I'm gonna definitely put to use because sometimes I just grab whatever I can use around my house to use as a palette. I think as of recently I've used the aluminum foil from my kitchen, which works perfectly fine. I mean, whatever you have, make it work, right? So look at this, super cute. It has the Red Iguana logo, April and Ryan. And let's open it up without breaking it. And it looks like this inside. It looks like you can remove this. Oh, so look, you guys, you have an extra one, and then the one that already comes in like this made. So that's super cool. This is definitely gonna come in handy. I love this. So see you guys, subscribe for a Nailboxy. You get such cool stuff. So that's that. And then the next thing that I got is Red Iguana Stamping plus paint gel. It's 2-in-1. So let's see what this is. So it's just the stamping paint gel. So you get a random color, black, silver, or white, and it looks like I got the black one. So it's just a little tube just to test out. So that's super cool. And I think that's it for the month of August. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys don't know what Nailboxy is, it's a nail box subscription. I have a monthly subscription, so I do pay $29.99. But I think they have other plans as well. It is free shipping to the US, and you get up to 5 to 10 full-size nail products in each box. So it's definitely worth it to me, in my opinion. And you do get exclusive offers and products from different nail brands. As you can see, this month was Kiara's Sky and some clear jelly stuff. So I think it's definitely worth it. I think you guys should definitely check them out. If you guys don't want to do this monthly subscription, you can always just get one box and pay as you go, or whatever box you may be interested in. But I definitely have loved all their products that I've gotten so far. I think I've been a subscription member since, I want to say March or April. I think it's March. So yeah, and I've never been disappointed. So, and you get to test out different products from different companies, so you know, I think it's a go deal. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this month's box down in the comments below. And if you guys like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.